This is Cyndy G, and in this video we are assembling the movie Slimline card. So you have your card base. Then on the inside you are going to glue the bigger of your two white panels, because this is your liner for the inside of the card, and that is for you to write on. So you just there is a border all the way around, so you just want to eyeball that and get that level. So that's your liner for the inside. Then we're going to flip it over and work on the front. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to layer these two pieces. And just make sure that you're gluing this on the side that is not the side that has your inside layer. So my inside layer is on that side. This also helps balance out the card from the weight on the front. And then I'm going to pull my card in. The top layer on this one has a backing star. So you're just going to layer these two. These will be your biggest ones, your biggest stars. And I think before I glue these stars down, I'm going to glue this to the base. And it should fit exactly on. I get mine lined up very good. And then I'm going to go ahead and glue it onto the card. I'm going to pop up all my stars. That's why I'm gluing this down first. Just putting a little bit of adhesive foam on the back of these. Making sure it's not coming out above. I just want to check these again, make sure I have them in the right spot. They go biggest to smallest. These would be great for like an Oscar party. Maybe use it as your invitation. Movie themed birthday, obviously. You can write sentiments in the stars or use your squares for adding your, but there it is. There is the movie Slimline card. Thank you for joining me.